Happy New Year. I'm so excited to dive into January and get everything out on the table that you can expect to see with Whimsical Expeditions, along with all kinds of great travel tips. I have so much to go over, and I'm going to do it as fast as possible because nobody likes a rambler. Ready? Happy New Year. I'm so glad that the holidays are over. I'm so glad the fourth quarter is over. It was just organized chaos for me as I learned how to manage life with 3 children in 3 different schools. Next year, I think I'll do it a little differently for the fourth quarter. So I hope that you guys are now able to breathe as well now that we're into the new year and Halloween is over. The first day of school is over. Thanksgiving is over. Christmas is over. Concerts, holiday parties, fun, exhausting, and nice when they come to an end, right? Okay, so we have so much going on behind the scenes at Whimsical Expeditions. I'm so excited to share it all with you. I have my notes here because I just made a video and forgot some of it. So here we go. Starting over again so that I can make sure I go over everything. So we are working on a new channel called Whimsical Expeditions Ambassadors. Oh, I'm so excited. So it's going to be little kids that, or big kids that are on vacation and having a great time. So they're going to have a chance to highlight their trip and things that they love about it and how much fun they're having. I'm so excited to launch this. I've been working really hard behind the scenes with this. The kids are having a great time. This is going to be great. So I can't wait for your kids to see it and other kids to see it. My kids are so excited. So this is going to be a lot of fun. I am taking my kids, so Rock the Universe is a huge Christian music festival at Universal. And it just so happens that it's going on a long weekend for my kids. They don't have school Thursday and Friday, and then the Christian concerts that weekend, and so is my birthday, and my husband's already going to be in Florida for work. So it's like, it's kind of a no-brainer. So the kids and I are going to pack up and meet my husband down in Florida for this. I am so excited. My kids have never been to Universal. I can't wait to show them because my girls love Harry Potter and Benjamin loves dinosaurs. It's going to be great. I can't wait to show you guys the great time we had and my kids' opinion and their ambassador video on Universal. It's going to be so much fun. Disney has a new promo. Did you see? I don't know if you saw. So there's a lot of stipulations to it. There's always stipulations, but the new promo is because what time of the year is it? It's wave season in the travel industry, which is like Black Friday and Cyber Monday on steroids for the travel industry. So Disney's new promo they just dropped, which is huge, right? It's free dining. So we're getting back to normal. Disney has dining plans. Disney's offering a free dining plan promotion. It's so great. Look, I just get so excited thinking about how everything is coming back together again, just in the world, and then especially in the Disney world for Disney fans. There are some things, right? To get the promo, you have to have a 4-day, 4-night undiscounted Disney vacation. And by 4-day, they do mean a 4-day ticket. And the 4-day ticket has to have the park hopper option. You get the Disney dining plan with the deluxe villas and the deluxe resorts. Now you're going to get the quick service dining plan with the moderate and the value resorts, but still an awesome value. So if you need help with that or you have questions, absolutely contact me and we will get everything set up for you for your vacation. Always, as always, spring break is right around the corner. Get that planned. If you don't have that planned, I'm going to mention that on every single video I have from here until spring break. If you don't have spring break planned at the moment, you're getting behind the ball, especially with wave season. Okay. The next thing I'm going to talk about this month that you can see is I'm going to highlight Disney's Flower and Garden Festival. It is my favorite, and it's going to go on during spring break. It's going to go on even after spring break. It goes on into the summer, but it is so much fun. It is just a great time to go, even at, like, especially as an adult. So if you, it's like a win-win situation. But anyway, I'm going to dive more into that into a video in this month, and we're going to go more about the Flower and Garden Festival because it is my favorite. It's a lot of favorites. So a lot of people love the Flower and Garden Festival. So that is all I have for you. That's what you can expect to see for the month of January. I am so excited about January. I'm so excited to get this all going and for you to see what we've been cooking up behind the scenes here. So as always, hit the notification bell and subscribe so that you don't miss out on the promos and the fun and everything I have to offer. Travel tips, travel information, a fun time. Okay, so Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys have a blessed 2024.